Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana reacted to the trend line and the 50% retracement perfectly. We explained that in the previous video. As you can see here, we perfectly touched 4 times actually here on the 4-hour chart, the 50% retracement at $21.50. And since then, we've been starting to sell off quite nicely. That was the expectation, and price is currently following through. It even broke below the B wave low, and with everything we have as information, we now have to assume that wave 5 has started. We already talked about that in the previous video, that there was a possible bounce here, and now price is indeed following through. Bear in mind that the wave 5 will not happen in a straight line. There will be up and down movements as well, but ideally those will be lower lows and lower highs. Now this wave 5 should ideally reach, in my opinion, the area around $19. That's a 61.8 retracement. But we can now specify that a little bit further by, for example, taking the length of the wave 1. Then we go to the high of the wave 4 and we're looking for the 100% extension, the 1-to-1 ratio. That takes us to 1880. So that's the common target. That's pretty much in line with that $19 level. Another way of measuring is we take the length of waves 1 through 3, go to the high of the wave 4, and we're looking for the 61.8 extension, and that also takes us roughly to $19. So there seems to be quite a bit of confluence around that $19 level. Okay, so this is quite relevant. We did not manage so far to break above the trend line. I did highlight to you that a break of the trend line would be a first indication that we have finished this overall correction. But that hasn't happened. What could be the case is that, some kind of a descending wedge is playing out here. So also that could take us close to that $19 level. So let's imagine we really come down here in this 5th wave, and we might really touch the $19 level, which will be a support of that descending wedge, which is generally a reversal pattern, and could then turn around and break to the upside. That is how it could ideally happen, because the C wave can be understood as ending diagonal, and they are often characterized pattern-wise by descending wedges. And if we see descending wedges, normally we start to see divergences at some point, bullish divergences. Now, not yet, okay? But if we make one more low here, it could very well be that we're going to see bullish divergences appear. Do we need one more low? The one more low is currently the expectation, a low below the 3rd wave low, so it should at least go below 1975. No, we don't need it, but it is quite likely because the move to the upside was a 3-wave structure, and the move down currently, well, it's quite a nice sell-off at the moment at least. But we don't need another low because we already hit our trend reversal area here on Thursday. Nevertheless, it would be quite likely. Also looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins, even though every chart should be taken on its own. We always want to analyze each chart on its own because correlations are not very useful for trading. However, we still can take the overall context into account, and if the chart suggests one more low anyway, it is sort of a little bit of a confirmation. Okay. So yeah, what else to highlight here on this chart? Not too much. I think not too much else happened. I think we just need to be patient now, see how the Asian traders are moving the market. Ideally further to the downside. Maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum have also started their sell-off in their respective wave 5s. Not entirely clear yet. But here, because Solana broke below that B wave low, okay, it didn't maintain it, but it's a good sign that we are already on the way down. But let's see. I'll keep you updated about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.